Nigga selling fucking kidneys. This nigga. This nigga sold one of his fucking testicles. Bro, we only a minute and 30 seconds in. This nigga we already got this nigga to talk about some selling his fucking testicles on a dark web. TJ Tom 6. Bro, this nigga has a chainsaw Karibo. This nigga wiping one ball. Nigga, that's all you have left is one nut. This bro, bro. This nigga's getting fucking dog walked, bro. You a grown ass man, bro. Pick your nuts. I mean, pick your nut up, nigga. Hey, yo, what the fuck?